In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut account in Malta. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and manage a Revolut account in Malta. To do this, download the Revolut app from either the Play Store or the App Store. So you can visit the website to get a download link here, or directly open the respective store of your choice. Once you look for Revolut, download the app and open it up. The very first step to sign up for a Revolut account is going to be to input your mobile number, so you need a valid phone number. Change the country code if needed, so tap here, input your country or region, and then your actual mobile number. You might have to verify this with an SMS, and once it is properly verified, you can go ahead, tap on sign up, and proceed with the registration process. Next, choose your country of residence. So once again, use this drop-down menu, select it accordingly, and be aware of all of the legal agreements. They will also list out some other information, card issuing, deposit protection, and so on. Read through all of this if you want. And if everything looks okay, tap accept and continue. And finally, the last information that you need is going to be your home address. Input your home address at the top and then any other additional addresses at the bottom. You can use the search function to make this easier. Tap continue once more, and now the very last thing is to choose between a standard plan, which is free and includes all of the core features of Revolut, or a medium or premium plan, which is a paid plan but is often going to have advanced features. So once you create your account, you can now manage multiple currencies, you can add money, you can exchange, send it to friends, send it to family, have cards, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.